Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Craving something cheesy, savory, and super satisfying? We're diving into making an amazing vegan quesadilla, a plant-based version of a true comfort food favorite. It's surprisingly simple to put together, incredibly flavorful, and a fantastic way to enjoy a quick, healthy meal. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a quesadilla haven, a place where deliciousness comes to life. Let's gather our essential ingredients. First, grab some soft, pliable tortillas. Flour tortillas work wonderfully for that classic quesadilla feel. Next, pick up a high-quality vegan shredded cheese. It's truly key for achieving that delicious, stretchy melt. For a hearty filling, consider adding black beans, corn, finely diced bell peppers, and onions. These simple components really set the stage for something special and delicious. Now, let's create our flavorful filling. Heat a pan with a little oil, then add your diced onions and bell peppers, cooking them until they become tender and slightly softened. Next, sprinkle in your favorite spices, like a little cumin or chili powder, giving everything a warm, aromatic depth. Finally, stir in your black beans or cooked lentils, making sure all those delicious flavors combine nicely for your perfect quesadilla. Time to assemble and cook our quesadillas. Place a tortilla in a warm, dry skillet over medium heat. On one half, sprinkle a generous amount of vegan shredded cheese, then add your delicious vegetable and bean filling. Fold the other half of the tortilla over, pressing gently. Cook for a few minutes on each side until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. This simple step brings it all together. Once cooked to perfection, carefully slide your quesadilla onto a cutting board. Slice it into easy-to-handle wedges, just like you would a pizza. Serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some fresh salsa, a dollop of creamy guacamole, or a spoonful of vegan sour cream. It's truly a delightful meal, ready in minutes and bursting with incredible flavors, so go ahead and enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.